Feeling overwhelmed with tasks? Let's unlock some powerful productivity hacks using free and easy-to-use apps. Hack number 1. Organize everything in one place. Use Notion to manage your to-do lists, calendar, and notes with clean, drag-and-drop blocks. Prefer visuals? Trello's card-based boards make it easy to track tasks, move deadlines, and collaborate in real time. Struggling to focus? Use Pomofocus or any Pomodoro timer app. Work for 25 minutes, then take a short break. It's proven to boost focus. For smart task management, Todoist lets you set recurring reminders, track progress, and sync across devices. Want time control? Color code your schedule in Google Calendar to easily balance meetings, deep work, and personal time. Writing a lot of emails or reports, Grammarly and AI writing assistants help you write better, faster, and without errors. Need to avoid distractions? Apps like Forest reward your focus by growing virtual trees while you stay off your phone. Combine these tools the right way and you'll save hours every week without burning out. Which app do you use the most for staying productive? Drop your favorite in the comments and subscribe to Rapid Tech Bites for more smart tech hacks.